This journey begins with sheep, nature's living source of wool, growing soft fibers to protect themselves from cold.
Sheep wool grows slowly over months, forming strong, flexible fibers used for clothing.
Over 8 to 12 months, wool becomes long enough to be collected for processing.
Farmers carefully inspect wool to decide the right time for shearing.
Before shearing, sheep are kept calm and dry to ensure safety and quality.
Shearing removes wool safely without harming the sheep.
A full fleece is removed in one continuous piece to preserve fiber length. After shearing, sheep feel lighter and cooler.
This raw wool still contains dirt, grease, and natural lanolin.
Initial cleaning removes large impurities.
Sun drying reduces moisture before storage.
Proper packing protects wool quality during storage.
Stored wool must remain dry and pest-free.
Once ready, wool is transported to markets or factories.
The journey from farm to factory begins. The factory transforms raw wool into usable textile fibers.
Factories receive wool in bulk for processing.
Each batch is weighed and documented.
Quality inspection ensures suitable processing.
Wool is graded based on fiber length and cleanliness. Fine wool is reserved for clothing.
Coarser wool is used for carpets or insulation.
Scouring washes away grease and dirt.
Lanolin is extracted during washing. Repeated rinsing ensures complete cleanliness.
Controlled drying prevents fiber damage.
Moisture is removed evenly.
Dry wool regains its natural softness. Carding aligns fibers into a uniform direction. Tangled fibers are separated. Fibers become smooth and even. This form is called sliver. Combing removes short fibers. Only strong fibers remain. This improves yarn strength.
Spinning transforms fiber into yarn. Twisting creates strength.
Yarn is collected for further use.
Yarn thickness varies by use. Dorset sheep.
Quality testing ensures durability.
Yarn is cleaned again.
Yarn is dyed to desired colors.
Color bonds deeply with wool.
Dyed yarn is dried carefully.
Yarn is prepared for knitting. The finished yarn is wound into cones, making it ready for large-scale fabric production. Yarn moves to clothing production.
Each yarn cone is carefully standardized for thickness and strength.
Before use, yarn quality is measured to meet garment standards.
Strength testing ensures the yarn can withstand knitting and daily wear. Improved yarn is transferred to the fabric and garment section.
This is where yarn begins its transformation into fabric.
Wool yarn is fed directly into high-speed knitting machines. Thousands of needles interlock yarn into flexible fabric loops.
Row by row, soft wool fabric is created.
Industrial knitting allows mass production with consistent quality.
The finished fabric is collected in large rolls.
Fabric is checked for holes, weak points, or defects.
Wool fabric naturally stretches and returns to shape.
Next, the fabric goes through finishing processes.
Steam finishing softens fabric and stabilizes its structure. Brushing enhances warmth and softness.
The fabric is now comfortable and skin-friendly.
Finished fabric is prepared for cutting and tailoring.
Designers create precise jacket patterns.
Patterns are placed carefully to minimize fabric waste.
Automated cutting ensures accuracy and speed. Each jacket component is prepared individually.
Order and precision are essential in garment manufacturing.
Now, the jacket begins to take shape. Strong stitching ensures durability and long life.
Machines knit yarn into fabric. Loops create warmth and flexibility.
Fabric is ready for cutting to endure jarring.
Jacket patterns are measured precisely.
Accurate cutting reduces waste.
Each piece has a purpose.
Pieces are stitched together.
Functional elements are added.
Finishing improves appearance.
Each jacket is carefully checked.
Ready for the world.
This is the journey of wool. I found from sheep to jacket.